So good morning, students. Listen here. One of the so as I told you, I will discuss some important numericals here. So one of the numerical is in the exercise of 2.12. This is a part of the addition, but from there also the question was already asked in the board examination. So please give here on it, right? How to solve this one. So in this question they have asked to find the work done. Work done, what is that? You can read the question, right? It is in the NCERT part. So when we take a charge that is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 from P to Q, but via R. But according to the coordinate points, we can easily define this is x, y, z. So it is in the 3. तो ये देखो मैंने z में रखा है इसको. And according to this question, this is in y. So I place it in the y. Where 6 and 9, that means what? 0. That means it is in the plane of y and z. So via this. And here work done. So whenever there is a movement of any charge, then keep it in mind. जब भी कोई movement का question आएगा work done के लिए, तो हम लोग उसको लिखेंगे final minus initial. Is it right? Final means when the charge minus 2 into this one, right? It reach at the point Q. Then between these two, already there is a charge of 8 milli at the origin. So between the two there is a work done. So this is called final. और जब वो P में था, तो in between the two charges there is a work done. So look at here, both the charges at initial and the final point are same. That's why Q1 and Q2 same रखा. K हो गया. But R's are different. Here it is 3 and here it is 4. So according to that given here, I have written this. Q1, Q2, और ये हो गया 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 3, and you can see after that we got it 1.2 joule work done हो रहा है इसमें. Is it clear? Now the question is this, और एक चीज तुमको यहाँ पे लिखना है, right? कि work done does not depends upon the path. Path पे वो depend नहीं करता है. Because of what? Because of it is conservative in nature. फिर से याद रखना, conservative in nature. जो force है तुम्हारा electrostatic force, वो conservative है. Is it right? That's why we can say work done does not depends upon the path. मतलब अगर मेरे को वो origin से भी बोलता, तो भी मेरा यही आंसर आता. That means it doesn't depends upon the path. अगर मैं डायरेक्ट चला जाता, then also the work done will be same. Is it clear? Okay. In the question number 2.13, you can see, right? They have asked to find the potential and what? The potential and the electric field. So let me first find the potential here. It is number 1 I have written here. So this is a cube, you know that, right? अब देखो इसमें भी questions तुम्हारा कैसे पूछता है इसमें. So let me first find the diagonal, because they have asked to find at the center point. That is, right? Diagonal, this is, you can say this is diagonal what? B, not D, it is BE. My mistake here, it is BE, or you can say this HC, or you can say this, here it is, right? They all are the diagonal passes. So how we find this diagonal? Is it right? So before that let me see. तो पहले एक काम करते हैं, है ना? पहले नीचे से शुरू करते हैं. This one, that means what? EC. So this is EC, this is EF, and this is F. F what? G. Is it clear? So this is A and A. This is A. Sorry, my mistake. FC. My mistake. This is FC. This is A. This is A. So definitely this is what? Root 2A. Keep it in mind. The diagonal of a square is always root 2A. This is also required Pythagoras. इसमें भी तुम Pythagoras लगा सकते हो इसमें, and you can check. So it is what? Root 2A. Similarly, after getting this root 2A, अब मैं इसको ले लेता हूँ E, C and B. Is it right? You can see this is root 2A, already you got it, and this is A. Is it right? So if I use Pythagoras again, I will get this. So overall ये मिल गया कि मेरा diagonal is this. Now make it half, because at the center point, so half कर दिया इसको. Now later on, is it right? You can see there are so many potentials are added. So how many potentials are there? Because of 8 charges, so 8 potential will be there. तो 8 potential आ गया इसमें, मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा, देखो I have written 8. Now use, after that you will get this answer. You know what is the value of K and all. So it's very simple to find the potential. Is it clear? Now let me find what is electric field. Electric field is a vector quantity where potential is a what? Scalar quantity. So for the vector quantity definitely you need first the direction, because बिना direction का electric field तो हम लोग find नहीं कर सकते. How to find out this? At the center point, because of this charge, he is a positive, so I will say this is outward. And in this diagonal you can see there is another charge at the point E. तो इसकी वजह से भी outward इधर होगा. And since they both are same, why not? Because distance भी same है, charge भी same है, तो definitely electric field due to this charge at E and due to this charge at B are same, and they are opposite also. The direction of this is opposite. So equal and opposite होने से their net will cancel. Similarly, the diagonal from here to here is also cancel. Similarly, the diagonal from here to here is also will cancel. ये जो diagonal होगा ये भी cancel हो जाएगा. So it means here the four charges and four charges of the opposites are will be cancelled to each other. So net इसमें तुमको electric field 0 मिलेगा. I think it's very simple. Clear it is? Okay. You can see this is 2.14, right? 2.14. We are going to find the potential at the point O, that is at the midpoint, right? And this is 1.5 and 2.5 microcoulombs. Potential at the O point. Potential, we know it is a scalar quantity, so we have to add this both the potential, is it right? And additions 9 into देखो addition भी करते हैं ना, तो सिंगल नहीं करना है, राइट? फर्स्ट यू टेक द कॉमन. ना ये कॉमन है, ये कॉमन नहीं है, दिस इज कॉमन, सो आई विल टेक फर्स्ट दिस एंड ये दोनों एडिशन में आ जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट, इज इट राइट? दिस इज द वे टू सॉल्व. ओके, आफ्टर दैट ना ये तो आ गया 2.4. नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट द पॉइंट सेम, एट द पॉइंट ओ. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैसे करेंगे? नाउ यू नो दैट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, so for this definitely plus sign, this is outward, and let me write it is what, EA. And for this B it is also outward, this is the direction, so let me write this is what, EB. So who is greater? Distance is same but the charge this is greater, so definitely EB will be greater. So since minus will come, so I will write EB minus EA. I have written here. After that as usual put the value and you will get the answer. Calculation भी common लेके पहले कर लेना है. Is it right? Okay. So dear student, look at here. In the 2.14, this is the diagram given 10 centimeter and perpendicular to it. Okay. तो थोड़ा सा tough है इसमें. Look at here how to solve this one. This EA has, if it is theta and theta, since the both the sides are equal, base angle will be equal under the cases. तो ये इसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे आ जाएगा तुम्हारा EA cos component and here it is EA sin. Similarly EB cos and EB sin. Now how to solve it? First you solve this two. These are not similar, so first we have to be decrease this minus. तो minus करके ये हमारा ये topic आ जाएगा. Is it right? Let's see. No problem at all. How to find EA and EB I have already written there. Here it is. Now the problem with the cos. How to find the cos? Take this right angle triangle. Cos is equal to base by half plus. Base is 15 by this. We got it 5 root 13. 5 root 13. Is it right? So in this way you put it and you get this answer. But ये ending नहीं है, right? One more is there. If I'll use the another component that is here, this is suppose E double dash. E double dash is this, right? And when we add this two, we are getting this answer. Is it right? इसके बाद resultant कैसे निकालना है? Already you got this. Sin का value डाल दिया इसमें, plus एलिमेंट से. After that you just do your what this is, right? ये देखो यहाँ पे E dash and this is E dash definitely EB, he is greater, so I think E dash is, this is the direction of the E dash, and E double dash जो अभी मिला वो तुम्हारा इधर ही जाएगा because addition है E double dash. तो resultant will be this, maybe here it is it right? यहाँ रहेगा. The components का आंसर हमेशा 90 में रहेगा, तो resultant तुमको यूज करना है इसमें E dash square plus E double dash square of square root. Is it right? ये तुम्हारा पार्ट है. You just do it because वो वाला मैंने already लिख चुका था, पता नहीं आंसर कितना है. So you just find it and give the answers. Is it right? If there is any problem, we will discuss this. Clear? Okay. Sorry, one more point is left here. It is potential. And potential at this point क्या हो जाएगा? 10 सेंटीमीटर का है, तो ये डिस्टेंस अलग अलग हो गया, right? So do it this one also. The net potential is equal to VA plus what? VB. इसमें आ जाएगा क्या? दोनों में distances are same. Is it right? Charges are different here. तो सिर्फ एडिशन में आ जाएगा. That means what? K, Q will be different, right? and here it is divided by the distance. Distance is also same. What is the distance here? This 5 root 13. 5 root 13 कैसे होगा? यहाँ पे 5 root 13. Q will be different. They both will be add, है ना? यानी कि 1.5 plus 2.5 addition हो जाएगा, लेकिन इसका आ जाएगा into 10 to the power minus 6. Just do it and give the answer. Find करके देख लेना, आंसर तुम्हारा मैच कर जाएगा इसमें. Clear?